I can feel my teeth eroding as I eat it. Yeah, as far as this goes, this is kind of leveled up in a few ways.
Breakfast has never been so much more sexier. What's up everybody, I'm Rupert.
I'm Charlie.
And we're the Averytwins. And welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be making
French toast! We're making French toast. From France. Toast. But it's French. French toast. French toast. French toast. Team French toast. Ah!
So step one for our eggy bread operation, we're going to start with
A bowl.
always a bowl.
Always a bowl. Okay, so young Mr. Man. So for the whisk, we're going to add in our egg yolks.
Perfect.
Get your whiskey. Then we're going to crack both our eggs in.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Then we're going to put in our sugar. Start whisking.
Our sugar and our eggs. Start whisking like a madman.
We're going to put in our cinnamon as well.
Should we do the cinnamon challenge? Have you ever done that?
I'm not doing the cinnamon challenge. That's good. Then we're going to grate in some nice fresh nutmeg. I prefer you to get whole nutmeg and do this way rather than getting the ground stuff because it's much more like flavoursome this way. You smell it? It smells good.
Yeah, it smells so good.
It's really powerful, so you don't need too much. Hooray!
Keep whisking that up.
Then we're going to put on our milk. And then our half a cup of cream as well. And there we have our basics.
And that's your dip complete.
A lovely custard mix.
Custard mix! Right, let's move on. Step two.
Right, so.
Right, step two.
Yeah, step two. So now that our mixer is done, we're going to put it to the side. Just like so. And now we're going to move on to our bready. So I've gone for Farmhouse white. I would preferably go for white unsliced, or if you're feeling extra bougie, definitely get a brioche loaf, which is also unsliced, because we want to cut them fairly thick. If you go to a store-bought and you buy a sliced, they're quite thin.
Yeah.
And it just ends up not being.
Well, can I ask, why didn't we get a brioche loaf?
Because I wanted to do the white bread.
Oh, okay, cool.
We're gonna go for this. Right, so
no, it's not okay.
We're gonna cut off a nice slice here.
Keep the ends.
And if it's, yeah, obviously I'm going to keep the end.
Okay, alright.
Why, like, I didn't even start this yet. Please get out of my ears. I've just put the bread on its side so it's easier to cut. So the reason why I've done that...
wait, that dog is going absolutely nuts.
It's because it wants some French toast.
Yeah.
I want the French toast! Christ, that's a massive slice. Yeah, well, it's obviously one slice per person, isn't it? Right, let go of it. So now that we have our nice slices of bread, put this here. Right, now this is the important bit. I'll do one.
Just be careful waving that thing about, okay?
Yeah. Right, so with this, we're going to stick the knife inside the bread here, so hopefully you can see. And we're going to make a small incision into the bottom half of the bread like so.
Why are we doing that?
Because you'll see why. I know what you're going to do. He's clocked onto
I've clocked onto what you're going to do, I know.
He's got this. You got this. Made an incision. Made a nice small
Now time for the
incision.
good part.
So, be careful you don't want to tear your bread at this stage. So,
Grab that.
we're going to grab some new.
So, it turns out we actually don't have, what is it, a piping bag? However, we're going to make one. Because that's how we do it.
Just get out of the
Wait,
way.
you need scissors.
Yeah, I'm trying to find them.
So it's always a good idea to soften your Nutella first. So with a spoon, get your Nutella
in a pot.
We're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. Right, now it's been 30 seconds, the Nutella is done.
Penis man. Cut that off.
Let me cut it.
Nice. Nice.
And then if you overfill it, just pat it down and wipe away the excess. Like so.
Nice.
Step 2 done. Right, now we're on to step 3, which is going to be grabbing our egg mixture. And we're going to be dipping this into our egg mixture. But what we've done first is we've placed our pan on a medium heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a little tiny knob of butter. So we're going to put our butter... Just watch where you wave that knife around, because it's so close to me all the time. Okay? Right, so we're going to put our butter into our pan. Yeah, cool. We're going to place our bread into the mixture. Make sure it's super coated in there. Now that the butter's in, we're going to place it in there, and then we're going to kind of cook it each side for about 3 minutes until it's like nice and toasted. Wonderful. Coat this bad boy up. Yeah, good, nice. Mixing it up. Should I put it in?
Yes, please.
Eggy. Right, delicious. We're now on to step 4. So what you've done is we've taken out our wonderful French toast, we've set that aside, and now we're going to start with the sugar and cinnamon dusting. So sugar goes into a Pyrex dish, or if you have a baking tray or a flat plate, whatever's easier, whatever's around you, you can do that. Cinnamon, yeah, whisk it about. So grab our bread. So you do your one first. We'll grab this one, and we'll just. So you still want it to be quite warm, I guess. Yeah, and we'll just dust it like so. Jeez. That's good.
Place that on there like so. Very nice. That looks good, man. Can't wait to eat these things.
French toast is done. So that concludes today's video. That is basically the best French toast you will ever make, so there's no need to look further.
It's so good.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please like, subscribe, comment, push that notification button. I think I covered them all. We absolutely love making these videos, and we love hearing from you. If you would like us to cook a recipe that you want to see, let us know. We will actually do it. I think that's all from me.
Yeah, it's seriously good. Please, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please, seriously try this.
Seriously try this recipe. It's so good. I mean, anything involved with Nutella is totally awesome. We'll see you in the next one.
How is it?
Fuck.
No. So I just feel like it tastes so good. You can taste all the nice chocolatey goodness, the creaminess from the egg, and
I've already finished it.
I feel.
Okay.